Hey guys, welcome to Modern Gent. Another episode here and another bag review. I'm loving these bag reviews. Tom Bihn, one of my favorites. I just went on a recent hike here. I'm back in Arizona right now, and I had to talk about this guy because it has been a lifesaver, especially under weather conditions. Today's obviously just hot. We're only in October, but I've used this through snow, through rain. It has been an amazing bag for me. YKK zippers, which I'm big on right now. These are heavy duty. It sucks when you're going through a zipper. You've had the bag for 2 years and the zipper either snaps off or these things disconnect in here. That's not happening on any of these bags that I've shown you lately. Waterproof on the inside. Each pocket has one of these tabs here, which can be used for multiple things. And then the halcyon fabric here makes it a little bit lighter, okay, actually a bit lighter than your ballistic nylon, almost a pound difference. This bag is just over a pound, and the ballistic nylon would be almost 2 pounds for this bag, so it's about half. And then this, it's just a lighter fabric is all. If you wanted the heavier dutier stuff, you can go with the ballistic nylon, but I chose this. So every pocket has an amazing depth to it. I feel like you could store quite a bit here, and then just in this bottom pocket, I mean, it is deep. I've put camera equipment in here before. It's probably my favorite pocket of the bag, to be honest. It's just an easy access pocket, and again, more with the tabs here on the bottom. And we get into the sides. These are major easy access. You ever get that, you get the shoulder, you get the reach around, you're trying to get into that pocket. They did a beautiful design here on the sides. This guy flops open, easy access pen compartment. You got other deals here, and then you could fit, I mean, you could squeeze almost a shaker bottle in there if you wanted, a water bottle. There's a separate pocket in here for a water bottle if you really wanted to get into a bigger compartment in the front. But these side pieces here I love. It's just the same on each side, okay? And then again, with these guys here, if you wanted to latch something onto that. So you can't go wrong with this. Is a little shallow pocket here. I've used just kind of like little first aid, little piece equipment, little box that kind of gets band-aids in there, bandages. That's easy pocket for that. Pills, ibuprofen, something like that. And then again, the pocket that I showed you that I have used before for a water bottle. This thing goes deep. Okay, look at that. I love deep pockets. Extra fabric on the inside here beyond. It's just magnificent. And then we get on the inside. Okay, this, not bad. I've used it for 2 things. Laptop, shoes. Okay, I've got flip-flops in here when I change out my hiking shoes, and then back in here with the hiking shoes, and then when I put on my flip-flops, and it kind of keeps it, you know, if they are dirty and mucky, kind of keeps it away from the rest of the bag. Alright, and then you got the bigger compartment, the main compartment. I mean, enough clothes for a couple days worth if you wanted. It is deep and it's wide. And then look at this guy. Aluminum plate. Okay, we bought this separate. Doesn't come with the backpack, but you log this guy in here. I have a little bit of scoliosis going on with my back, so for the aluminum plate to kind of bend towards the way that my spine bends, okay, I felt like it was needed, and it's been a lifesaver. This is a beautiful piece. It feels much better along my scapulas and into my lower back with that aluminum shield there to kind of help out on long hikes where this thing's been a part of my body for hours and hours and hours, if not days on end. There it is, guys. Straps are great. Okay, pretty standard there. What do we call those? We had a spinal strap padding thing. Chest clip if we needed it, which I do use. And then another one in around the waist. Maybe, I don't have that one on here. But anyway, chest strap if we needed. Boom. That's it, guys. Tom Bihn. Check it out. Thanks. Subscribe.